Hey guys, Pretzel here, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my SH Monster Arts Godzilla 2019 figure. I just got this in the mail like about 10 minutes ago. I am very excited to open this guy up and also kind of nervous at the same time because I don't know if anything is wrong with this figure or not, but let's hope that there isn't. Now we gotta open the box. Trusty Amazon box. And I think I just completely messed it up. I don't know. Yep, I did. I went sideways. Probably shouldn't have used this kind of knife, I guess. And I guess it's fine. Alright. Put that over here. Oh my Lord, so happy. Here it is. Can't really see because the reflection of my iPad screen. That's not fun. I'll just hold it like this. This is the best I'm gonna get with that. But yeah, you can see Godzilla right here, and all this other stuff in the box. I'm actually gonna take a look at it. Maybe like that. And I can't really see. It's kind of dark. But, you can see the other parts of the box. Very nice box. I'll definitely be keeping this guy with my other collection of boxes. But without further ado, open this guy up. I think that there's only a piece of tape that I need. And this is actually the first SH Monster Arts figure that I've had in a while. Slowly open this guy up. There it is. There's the box. Put this down here and the other. And it comes with instructions. I didn't see that. And what's this? I'm assuming this is like the bottom of the. Yeah, that's like the bottom. Or no, that's the back. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, we have this right here. I can smell the figure. And for some reason, I just love the smell of new figures. So setting them down like that. Ain't there like a piece of tape to catch this? Just make sure. I don't think there is. Unless they're just on there super tight. Come on! Oh, there was tape. I'm an idiot. I don't remember there being tape there before. But yeah, that'd probably help. If I can just get this piece of tape. Okay, now it should come off. Unless there's pieces on the back. I'm sure there is. I must be blind because I didn't see them the first time I was looking around. But I didn't really feel for it, so I guess I could have done that. Come on, man. Wasting my time. I remember tape being on these parts of the boxes before. I guess it is now. Is there more pieces of tape? Okay, no, there's not. Okay, here it is. There we go. After 15 minutes of doing that, there's the figure. Here's the infamous, that's sharp, atomic breath. Yeah, I'd say it's similar, way similar than I thought to the 2014 one. I'll compare that here here in a few. Here is the effect piece, the jaw effect piece. Get a close look at that. And also I'll give you a close look at the atomic breath. Got some plastic on Godzilla. I guess we'll lift him up. Oh, that's weird. Interesting texture inside of the box. Put that over here. Trying to slowly move the jump. Oh, there goes that. That's not what I want. It's not what I want. Not what I want. Please don't. Please, 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 please. This one seems to be stuck. I'm not going to put force on it. Most of these joints seem to be kind of stuck. The jaw seems to be working fine, which is cool. And yeah, the head works good as far as I know, but the other joints are kind of stiff. So what I'm gonna, I thought that was a big paint chip. What's that? Oh, it's just, I think, part of the cardboard. Well, yeah, that's paint on my table right here. No, you can't see it. But first impressions, looks really good. I'm not sure what articulation's like yet because I'm going to have to warm this guy up to, you know, get him moving. So, because I'm very kind of nervous and I don't want to break him. I really don't want to break him. And he is very stiff, which, you know, is common for most figures. The tail isn't that stiff, but I don't know, I'll just probably dip him in some hot water, let him sit there for a minute. I would use a hair dryer, but sometimes the hair dryer, for some reason where I live, if you use it, it just like cuts the power off, so I don't want to do that. And I apologize for the rain that is behind you guys. I didn't know it was gonna rain. Well, actually I kind of did because I was, you know, looking at the sky. But here's what the figure looks like up close. Looks very cool, very reminiscent of the film, obviously. 100% film accurate, I don't know, because I haven't really. Apologize for that. That sounded kind of mean. But you gotta learn not to come in my room every 5 seconds. Apologies. But that is it for this video. I'll warm this guy up, get him moving, and then I will get the review started. So I'll probably keep the camera like that because I'm actually gonna use it like this because I'll see if that works out good. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh wait, I can use this.